Concrete on our water meter. Oh yeah. We're gonna fill it up with concrete. One of my good customers called and said some prankster keeps locking up the water meter. Well, we're gonna fix that with a little concrete. Oh yeah. First thing you wanna do is take the lid off that covers the meter. Before you pour the concrete, you always wanna make sure you close the lid on the meter. You never want to damage the meter. Next thing you wanna do is get you a little Quikrete. Fill it up. Oh man. Yeah. You fill it up.